everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here I took a thick piece of cardboard, square piece, and I started to apply the spackling paste on it, or you can say it texture paste, which I use in most of my craft videos. If you don't have this paste, you can use the cement, or you can just use simply white tissues with the white glue to apply it on the piece of cardboard to create the texture. So this paste is actually smooth, and I want to get a little bit different style of texture, so I applied the tissue on it while it's wet, and then when it's dry it will be giving the texture hard one. So I will start to press down the tissues on the paste and let it get dry completely to get the texture. Here it is now, how you can see how it looks like now. Then here I'm using this clay, which is I was using for making the sculptures, but if you don't have this kind of clay, you can use any kind of air dry clay. That's not a problem. And then I will start to make the petals. And yeah, here I want to show and I want to say that I am not perfect in making these kinds of petals with clay, because this is, I think, my first experience to do something like this with the clay to make the petals. So the perfect people or the professional people can do it in a perfect way, obviously, but whatever I am doing, this is my first try to do this. So anyway, just keep watching how I'm making petals, just to press down with some tools and those things, and then I will start to stick it on the board. And I will be applying some white glue also on board to stick the clay properly, because the board is totally dry now and it will not hold the clay properly, so I have to apply some glue on it first, then to start sticking the petals on it. By using different kinds of tools, I will be making the detailings for the petals, and wherever I need, I will fold them a little bit to make the exact shape looks like petals. And then here in the same way I will be creating total 5 petals for this flower. So you have to give them shape and turning parts and those things while the clay is wet. So now here I'm using a little bit of water just to smooth the clay more and to work smoothly on it to give more detailings, because when you apply the water the clay will be very smooth and it will be easy to move the tools and to give more detailings. So this is how it looks like now after getting finished the petal work. And then I will be making some more detailings by using the clay tool, the smooth one, the silicone one. After getting finished the clay work, now I'm using here very light gray color acrylic paint to color the surface. You can use any color of your choice, or you can leave it even white, but mine became a little bit dirty because of clay and I was working on it, so that's why I'm trying to change the color. It's very light gray color. I'm using red acrylic paint, very dark bright acrylic paint for the flower to color it properly, and I will be using 2 to 3 times of layer of colors to apply them to get the exact bright color of red. I'm using mustard color for the center part of the flower. And remember, after finishing all of this work, I will be using the spray paint, transparent spray paint, just to give more glossy and shiny look to the flower and the surface as well. So I will be using the transparent spray paint. Now here I'm using yellow oil paint to get the texture, because this paint was very sticky type. So once I pulled the brush up, it was leaving the shape as it is for the color. So this was looks like actually the real part, the center part of the flower. Here you can see the close-up how the color is holding the shape. And here we are done. I really loved this one. It was actually my first try to do something like this. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you want to watch more different colors, more different styles of these type of work, please do comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.